is often referred to as transmission oil, but it does far more than lubricate the transmission gears and clutch packs. ATF is in fact a hydraulic fluid that exhibits the properties of a quality lubricant and coolant. There aren't many gear oils that can make that claim. As there are many different types of ATF on the market today, we really need to understand the transmission requirements and the performance characteristics of the fluid we choose. Automatic transmission fluid is critical for the smooth operation and durability of any modern or legacy automatic transmission. It lubricates and cools the transmission's internal components. It's the medium for torque transfer between the impeller and turbine within the converter. It acts as a hydraulic fluid to actuate the planetary gear set ratios, and it controls the friction characteristics of the internal clutches. As transmissions have become more sophisticated, advanced technology fluids are required to ensure continuous, smooth shifting under all driving conditions. Just like engine oil, transmission fluid is designed to meet the needs of each manufacturer's transmission designs, and as a result, we now have as many different ATF types as transmissions. There are many reasons why we have an abundance of transmission fluid types. One is because vehicle manufacturers require an automatic transmission that will aid in fuel efficiency and shift quality, while another reason is the shift to longer maintenance or service intervals. Modern automatic transmission fluid typically contains the chemical compounds and additives required for a particular transmission specification. Transmission fluid was originally produced using a base stock of mineral oil. In today's market, all modern transmissions require a fluid with the properties of a synthetic base stock. The manufacturer will then tune the fluid for each specific usage by controlling the amount and type of additives in production. Additives such as anti-wear agents, rust and corrosion inhibitors, detergents, dispersants, and viscosity index improvers and friction modifiers are used in quantities specified by the transmission manufacturer. The shear forces specific to the transmission design will dictate the level of friction modifiers used in the fluid. Transmission manufacturers regularly implement new designs to increase the efficiency of their automatic transmissions. A small change in how fast a solenoid opens, or the angle of the stator blades in the torque converter, can require a change in the fluid composition to prevent foaming and cavitation. Due to the inherent slip between the impeller and turbine within the torque converter, extreme heat is generated within the fluid. The biggest enemy of any transmission fluid is oxidation. This occurs when the fluid carries large amounts of heat energy. Oxidation breaks down the base stock's carbon chains, damaging the fluid and severely reducing its service life. When a transmission fluid is oxidised, it'll exhibit a distinctive burnt smell. The additive package of extended interval automatic transmission fluid has high levels of additives that help prevent oxidation. These days, there are numerous ATF types available, with each formulated for specific transmissions. GM's Dexron is one of the most popular fluids on the market and has been around since 1968. Dexron 6 is the latest version of this transmission fluid. With its synthetic base, it's claimed to deliver more than twice the durability and stability than existing Dexron fluids and is back compatible with earlier types. Mercon V automatic transmission fluid is recommended by the Ford Motor Company for use in Ford, Lincoln and Mercury vehicles that require either Mercon V or Mercon type fluids. Mercon V is back compatible with some earlier requirements, but unfortunately not with Mercon LV. In response to evolving vehicle technology, even Chrysler engineered an advanced synthetic fluid known as ATF4. ATF Plus 4 is a high-performance synthetic fluid claimed to provide a significant reduction in component wear, superior temperature performance, consistent shift quality, and friction modifying properties for automatic transmissions in most Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge vehicles. ATF Plus 4 is compatible with older transmissions that specified Mopar Plus 3 fluid. Fully synthetic multi-vehicle automatic transmission fluids are produced by reputable oil manufacturers. These fluids are becoming more and more popular in the automotive aftermarket as they're designed to suit a wide range of automatic transmission types. This means that the workshop can reduce the amount of fluid it carries, as this one type will take the place of Mercon, Dexron and ATF Plus 4. Multi-vehicle fluids are generally formulated with the latest additive technology, and their performance is typically supported by extensive field testing. Depending on the age and model of the vehicle, some of your customers may never experience the joy of a transmission fluid change. In fact, some automatic transmissions may never require the fluid to be changed during regular service, as they are sealed for life. Except if they are used in adverse or harsh conditions, which, let's face it, is pretty much everyday driving for most of us. So when a customer's vehicle does require the all-important red transfusion, it's not just a case of dropping the fat and pumping some new Dexron in. Always check the workshop manual, fluid guide or service information requirements for the correct fluid type and specifications for the transmission. Making the wrong choice here will result in transmission slip, flare, chatter or a total failure. To achieve the best performance and provide the greatest protection, only choose a fluid type that meets the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. As always, keep training. Thanks for watching.